10 Top Health Benefits of Broccoli. Broccoli is a green, branching vegetable with purple or, more typically, green blossom buds. It is a member of the brassica family, which includes cauliflower, cabbage, and kale, and can be eaten raw or cooked. There are 3 main varieties of broccoli: sprouting broccoli, Calabrese broccoli, purple cauliflower. Despite its name, a type of broccoli, broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse, full of vitamins, minerals, fiber and antioxidants. 1. High in nutrients, broccoli is a nutrient-dense food, rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, folate, and fiber. 2. Supports healthy digestion, broccoli is high in fiber, which helps to support healthy digestion and prevent constipation. 3. Boosts immune system, broccoli is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help to boost the immune system and protect against infections. 4. Promotes healthy bones, broccoli contains calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, which are essential for strong and healthy bones. 5. Helps to lower blood pressure, broccoli contains compounds that can help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. 6. Supports healthy brain function, broccoli is high in choline, a nutrient that is important for healthy brain function and development. 7. Protects against cancer, broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to have anti-cancer properties and may help to protect against certain types of cancer. 8. Aids in weight loss, broccoli is low in calories but high in fiber, making it a great food for weight loss and weight management. 9. Supports healthy skin, broccoli is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for healthy skin and can help to prevent skin damage from the sun and pollution. 10. Helps to regulate blood sugar levels, broccoli is high in fiber and has a low glycemic index, which can help to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.